It is wry indeed. It is wry indeed to hear Fianna Fáil talk about We promised Ceann Comhairle.
All right, okay. You've had your fun. Minister, please proceed.
Fianna Fáil, Ceann Comhairle, and Matty, the ones who took the lifeboat before the ship sunk. We promised we would fix the public finances. We promised, Ceann Comhairle, that we would fix the public finances and that we would restore growth to our economy. We have made good on those promises.